Let's outline day 25 in greater depth. Event sourcing stores the entire application state as an immutable sequence of domain events rather than updating records directly, allowing us to rebuild the current state by replaying events from the beginning. We'll cover the core mechanics, benefits like complete audit trails and time travel capabilities, and how it integrates beautifully with Day 24's CQRS for optimized read write models and Day 23's hexagonal architecture for clean boundaries. This also connects to domain events from Day 22's DDD, where every business change becomes a permanent, replayable fact.
A paradigm shift. These concepts will show how to build systems that never lose history and can answer what-if questions with ease.
Here's a quick overview of what we'll cover today. Event sourcing treats the sequence of events as the single source of truth instead of mutable state. Current state is reconstructed by replaying all events from the beginning or from a snapshot. We'll explore advantages like perfect auditability, natural scalability through event streams, and flexibility to derive new read models. This synergizes with Day 24's CQRS by powering the command side with events and Day 17's reliability through replayable history for recovery. Why choose event sourcing? It provides a complete, immutable audit trail of every state change, essential for compliance and debugging. Time travel queries let you reconstruct any past state for analysis or what-if scenarios. Scalability improves because event streams can be partitioned and processed independently. It enhances Day 17's reliability by allowing full state rebuild after failures or data corruption. Covering the basics of event sourcing. Events are immutable facts representing what happened in the domain, such as order placed or payment processed. The event store is an append-only log where events are written sequentially. Projections rebuild read models by processing events. Snapshotting periodically saves current state to speed up replay for long histories. Event sourcing workflow. A command arrives, business logic validates it against current state, and produces new domain events. Events are appended immutably to the store. On read, the current state is rebuilt by replaying events from the log. Projections then update query models asynchronously for fast reads.
Event sourcing with CQRS. The command side processes business logic and appends events to the store. The query side subscribes to events and builds optimized projections. Eventual consistency keeps the read model in sync over time. This delivers Day 24's benefits by giving each side its ideal model while preserving full history. Domain events and event sourcing. Make events rich with business context, not just technical changes. Keep them immutable to preserve history forever. Version events to evolve schemas without breaking replays. Publish them for integration with Day 9 pub subsystems. Event sourcing benefits. Full auditability with every change recorded forever. Temporal queries reconstruct state at any point in time. Scalability improves as event streams can be partitioned and processed independently. Resilience shines by rebuilding state after any failure, tying to Day 17. Event sourcing challenges. Eventual consistency can cause brief read lags. Storage grows with every event, requiring pruning strategies. Replay performance for long histories needs snapshots. Schema evolution demands careful versioning to avoid breaking existing events. Implementing event sourcing. Use a dedicated append-only event store for persistence. Rehydrate aggregates by replaying events from Day 22. Build projections with event handlers that update read models. Tools like Event Store DB or Axon Framework provide full support for streams, snapshots, and subscriptions.
Event sourcing and microservices. Each service owns its event stream for autonomy. Integrate via published events from Day 9. Combine with Day 24 CQRS by letting commands produce events that feed query projections. Deploy in Day 20 cloud-native containers for independent scaling. Event sourcing best practices. Treat events as immutable facts with rich business meaning. Use snapshots periodically to optimize replay performance. Make event handlers idempotent for safe replays. Version events carefully to maintain backward compatibility as the domain evolves. Advanced event sourcing challenges. Rebuilding query models after schema changes requires careful migration. Event ordering can be tricky in distributed systems. Use sequence numbers. Long-term storage costs grow with history. Plan archiving. Debugging often involves simulating replays from specific points. Event sourcing with CQRS. Commands produce events that are stored immutably. Queries rebuild read models from projections of those events. This creates perfect separation between write-optimized command models and read-optimized query models. It forms the foundation for Day 25's full event sourcing implementations. Event sourcing in cloud-native trigger serverless functions from Day 10 on new events. Use Kubernetes stateful sets for persistent event stores. Define ports in Day 23 hexagonal architecture for event publishing. Scale by partitioning event streams per Day 16 patterns.
Implementing event sourcing. Use a dedicated append-only event store for persistence. Rehydrate aggregates by replaying events from Day 22. Build projections with event handlers that update read models. Tools like Event Store DB or Axon Framework provide full support for streams, snapshots, and subscriptions. Advanced event sourcing patterns. Snapshotting periodically saves current state to speed up replays. Version events for safe schema evolution. Use sagas for coordinating long-running business processes. Build multiple projections for different read models from the same events. Common event sourcing pitfalls. Creating too many tiny events causes event explosion and storage bloat. Poor versioning leads to breaking changes during replays. Over-replaying long histories without snapshots hurts performance. Ignoring eventual consistency can create confusing user experiences.
Recapping Day 25, we explored event sourcing as storing application state as an immutable sequence of events.
Covered state reconstruction, projections, integration with CQRS and hexagonal, and pitfalls. The key takeaway: event sourcing turns history into the single source of truth for auditability, scalability, and resilience. Day 26 covers API gateway patterns for managing microservices traffic and security.
For homework, model a simple event stream for a small feature, identifying key domain events. Questions from today? Drop them in the comments. Irene and I will respond. Thanks so much for joining us. If this helped, give it a like, share with your network, and subscribe for the full series.